Hello everybody, we just landed in Hania, Crete after spending 1 week in Athens, and we're going to stay here on Crete for 2 to 3 months at least. So one of the questions people always ask us when we tell them that we're digital nomads is how much stuff do you have? How much luggage do you take with you? How do you survive with a small amount of stuff? So we thought we would do an unpacking to show you exactly what it is we bring and how much you can really fit in a small amount of space. So this is it. This is everything that we flew from the United States with. We have 3 check bags, 2 roller bags, a backpack carry-on for Trevor, and a cat carrier for Duke. So if you stick with us, we'll show you what's inside. All right, so we're going to start with this large duffel bag, which is able to fold down completely flat. You can get a set of 4 of them on Amazon for really cheap. And that's what we decided to do, and they've come in really handy for us because we can expand our packing capacity or shrink it as needed. This one we actually double bagged just for extra security. So in here, because we're traveling with a cat, we are going to have some special items for the kitty. So in here I've got kind of his rubber mats that go under his litter box, which we don't bring a litter box with us. We buy it when we get here. I can talk more about that later. So that's that. Trusty guidebook for Greece. We're gonna need that. We also bring like 2 extra sheets for putting on furniture to protect it from cat hair and cat scratching. This is a really nice lightweight nylon, and it's about the size of a shower curtain. My mom turned me on to this. She used to use it on her bed for her golden retriever, and it's been a great, it's even lighter weight than a sheet, so we usually put that on the couch. I've got some leather sandals in here, and then we've reached the inner sanctum with the second bag, which is mostly going to be clothes, and let's see what else. Sheet. Dress pants, sweater, jeans, more clothes. I like to roll them up when I can, but some things just don't make sense to roll up, like the jeans. They lay flat easier, so I leave them folded that way. Also bring some like collapsible containers because you never know what you're going to have in your rental apartment or place. So these are really great for toiletries, bathroom items, kind of random stuff, so that you still feel like you're living in an organized space. I have another one. These are really cute with boxies on them. And sure enough, there's 2 more. Other than that, I've got some winter clothes. So we are in Crete, but it will get winter temperatures down here at some point, and we might want to travel like to Northern Europe for Christmas time. So we brought a couple sweaters, a couple warm pants, but for the most part we have more like moderate temperature clothing. Okay, so I'm done unpacking, and I just wanted to show you guys quickly how this thing collapses down because it's so nifty. First of all, on the back side it has these pretty thin nylon straps, but they work really well to convert it into a backpack, which my husband sometimes does, although when it's weighing 40 plus pounds, it is pretty tough on your shoulders here. So ideally you're going to use a trolley if you can, or kind of shove it along on the ground when you're in the airport, but it can just fold right down when you don't need it. We've also used these when we go grocery shopping in town. We look a little funny walking on the street, but it allows you to carry a lot of stuff really easily. So here's the finished product after unpacking that large brown duffel bag. This is mainly my clothes, and it's pretty much most of the clothes. I do have some in the other large suitcase there, but I don't want my husband to hear this. I probably still brought too many clothes, but you never know. Since we're heading towards a slightly cooler climate after being in Mexico for 9 months, I did want to bring more of this like sweater items, scarf, gloves, an assortment of different layers and such. So we'll see how we do, and we can always edit down later.